Once your service is complete, you'll need to break down, clean, and sanitize both the DT3 and the wands. To begin, detach the diamond tip wand from the HEPA tubing. Then, remove the HEPA filter from the filter base and detach the HEPA tubing. And finally, remove the used filter disc from the HEPA filter with a pair of tweezers and dispose of it as a biohazard. To clean and disinfect your diamond tip wand, first soak it in enzymatic solution for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the wand from the enzymatic solution and thoroughly scrub the diamond tip with the brass brush using hot water and soap. Next, soak the diamond tip wand in disinfection solution for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the wand from the disinfection solution. Rinse it with water and set it upright to dry. To begin, detach the hydro wand from the hydro wand tubing. Then, remove the other end of the hydro wand tubing from the hydro collection canister. To clean and disinfect the hydro wand tip, first remove the application pad from the tip of the hydro wand and dispose of it as a biohazard. Remove the tip and flow indicator of the wand from the plastic cylinder. Separate the tip from the flow indicator and dispose of any excess serum. Detach the plastic tubing from the metal stem. Soak all hydro wand components in enzymatic solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the components from the enzymatic solution and scrub the hydro wand tip with the brass brush using soap and hot water. Clean the stem with the pipe cleaner and rinse. Soak all hydro wand components in disinfection solution for 10 minutes. Remove the components from the disinfection solution and rinse them with water. Finally, set them upright to dry. First, disconnect the clear tubing from the top of the wand. Then disconnect the blue tubing from the bottom connector of the Ultra wand. Now disconnect the power cable from the console. To remove the serum cartridge, push down on the cartridge lock and push forward. Pull back the lock to release the cartridge and remove the serum cartridge. Remove the Ultra wand ring, set it aside. With the nose facing down, gently flush the Ultra wand with hot tap water. Be careful not to submerge the Ultra wand or you may damage its components. Next, Insert a pipe cleaner completely through the hole inside the nose of the wand. Gently pull the pipe cleaner through the nose. Insert the pipe cleaner through the bottom opening of the nose and pull through the port at the back of the Ultra wand. Place the Ultra wand on a clean towel to air dry. Immediately after use, the Ultra ring should be cleaned by soaking in enzymatic detergent for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash the ring in hot running water and scrub the abrasive surface with a brass brush to remove any protein material. Once the ring is clean, place in disinfectant for no longer than 10 minutes. Over-soaking in disinfectant will damage the diamond tip. Remove the ring, rinse, and set to dry. Care and cleaning for the DT3 console is simple. Just wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and mild liquid detergent. Do not use harsh cleansers or disinfectants as they may cause corrosion.